Hello, my loves. I miss you so much. I know we say that all the time, but we really, really do. We miss you. We love you. But now we have something awesome to do. We have science, and you're going to be busy bees in science today. We have a lot to do in science today. Lots of coloring and drawing. You're going to love it. So go ahead, grab your science book, and you're going to open it with me to page 121. Not page 121, silly Mrs. Montero. Page 21, not 121, just 21. Page 21. So go ahead and grab it. While you grab it, I will just talk a little bit so you can listen while I grab your book. So we started talking about God's plan for the weather and how it's good to check the weather before we're going out, so we know how to dress properly and we know what to expect for the day. And then we talked about a thermometer and how the thermometer tells us the temperature, because sometimes just by looking outside, we don't know if it's hot or if it's cold. On a sunny day, we don't know if it's hot or if it's cold. On a rainy day, we don't know if it's hot or it's cold. So it's important to also look at the thermometer, because that tells us the temperature. And we're going to talk a little bit more about that today. So on page 21, I think you've had enough time to grab your book and open it, right? Yes? Awesome. So let's go ahead. I'm going to read it to you, okay? You can follow along with your eyes. It says, the sun is out. There are many clouds. The clouds may hide the sun. It is windy. The wind makes the air feel cool. So see, the sun is out. There are a little bit of clouds, but it's also windy. So although it's sunny, the wind makes it feel cool. In the bottom here it says, it is not hot, it is not cold. I will wear a jacket. So the girl is dressed appropriately for the kind of weather. She has a light jacket on, a skirt, some boots, because it's not too hot, but it's also not too cold. And then there's a thermometer here that tells us exactly what the temperature is. So go ahead and look at your thermometer and see what number the thermometer is filled up until. And tell me what number you see on that thermometer. Number 60. Perfect. And 60 is up. Father, yes, of which family? Of the 60 family. Perfect. So the thermometer is telling us that it's 60 degrees outside. 60 degrees is a perfect spring and fall weather. It's not too hot and it's not too cold. So here in the bottom it says write the temperature. The thermometer says, so you're just going to write the number that the thermometer says, and then you're going to color the picture. Okay? You're not going to do that now. Now I'm going to go over the other two pages with you. Then when I'm done, you can go back to page 21 and color the picture and write the number. So let's go ahead and look at page 22 with me right now. Page 22 says rain. The sun is not out. Gray clouds are in the sky. Rain is in the clouds. The rain comes down. It gives the earth a drink. It can be warm or cool when rain falls. But I must wear a raincoat and boots. I need to stay dry. So in this page, it's talking about rain. And again, just like when it's sunny, when it's rainy, we also don't know if it's hot or if it's cold, because it can rain in the summer, but it can also rain in the winter. So the temperature can be all over the place, but whatever the temperature is, we need to stay dry. So it's important to wear a raincoat, rain boots, and even have an umbrella. That's a good idea too, to keep ourselves dry. So here we have a picture of a grown-up and a child. And they're wearing raincoat and rain boots, and they have an umbrella because the weather is rainy. But what are we missing? We're missing the rain, yes. So all you need to do is draw the weather to complete the picture, and then when you're done, you're going to color the picture. So if you need to draw the weather, what do you need to draw? Raindrops, yes. So you're going to draw raindrops all over the picture because it's raining, and then you get to color it up, okay? And now, last but not least, we're doing page 23 as well. And page 23 says, I need to take these to school today. The clouds are dark. It will rain. So, it's going to rain again. And you have a few things here that you need to finish drawing, because it just started, but you didn't finish. So, you got to finish the pictures by connecting the dots, okay? So, here, look at your book, okay? You're going to see on the umbrella there's number 1. So you're going to connect the dots all the way to number 10. From 1 to 10 to finish the picture. Then there is a raincoat. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to start at number 1 right here. And you're going to connect the dots all the way to number 18 to finish the code. Okay, so from 1 all the way to 18. Make sure you're following the numbers, K5, to know how to count. So you need to go in order, okay? There's a spot here that goes 8, and then there's 10, but you're not going to connect from 8 to 10 because you were missing a number. What are you missing? You just learned about between numbers today. What's between 8 and 10? 9. Yes, we're going to go from 8 to 9 and then go back to 10. So make sure you're connecting your numbers in order. And then last but not least, when it's raining, we need an umbrella, we need a raincoat, and we also need rain boots. So you're also going to finish the rain boots. And again, you're going to connect the numbers from 1 all the way to 9 to finish the first boot. And then from 1 all the way to 9 again to finish the second boot. And when you're done drawing, you are going to color the picture. So lots of drawing, lots of coloring. Very, very fun day for science today. Hope you enjoy it.